Hi everyone, I'm Preeti Ravichandran and I'm from Kumbakonam. I'm completed my college in BSc degree in the stream of Information Technologies in Swami Dayananda College of Arts and Science in Manjaguri. After I'm in college, I'm joining the QSpiders for Java Full Stack Development course. And first time attending the course was in Chandan's demo class. And after I'm joining the core Java. Before I would not know any knowledge about the Java, but after I'm completing the core Java class by handling and analysis, they developing a technical skill and they teaching me an Java programming classes. After completing, I'm joining a web tech classes. Tamil Selvans are taking a class for HTML, CSS and JS, and improving my web technologies knowledge. After I'm completing this course, I'm joining for an SQL for handling by Sangeet sir. They will be taking as an DML, DQL queries and all queries I can solve now. And now I'm selecting for a value. They asking for me questions about what teaching on QSpiders. They telling me on the kind of questions, and I improve my communication skill based on here.